going to come up hopefully pretty soon. That all depends on you guys. You got to like, you got to subscribe, share it, please. The videos. Also, if you want an extra chance to win, comment. It doesn't matter which video you comment in. Just make a comment in one of the videos. I get you extra entry into the drawing for the 100 subscriber giveaway. So let's discuss what we're going to give away. One thing we're going to give away is our precision alignment jig. I do have them in various colors, so I'll let you know whoever the winner is, what colors are available at that time. Our stock rotates based on, we usually always have black and white, but our other colors vary on what filament I have in stock and what I'm in the mood to print. So I'll let you pick based on the color, based on what we do have available in stock at the time. So you'll get a complete kit. It'll come with instructions, links to the video, come with the resistant bands to actually use this tool. If you haven't seen how to use it, go check out the video on it that we have here, and it'll show you how to use this jig. Wonderful jig, use it all the time. I'm not going to tell you any more about it. Go watch the video, and make sure if you want to enter, you gotta be a subscriber. Please like, please share. If you want extra entry, don't forget you need a comment. That's not the only thing we're gonna give away. We're gonna give away one of my treasure hunts. I'm not gonna tell you which one. I will add a treasure hunt to whoever wins this, so you're gonna get a treasure hunt with that. And we're gonna sweeten the pot even a little bit more. I'm gonna give one more item away besides the jig and the treasure hunt. Let's give away one of my customs. I'm not going to tell you what custom. I'll actually tell you what. I'll paint one and have it ready to go. And whoever gets it, if you give me permission to go ahead and show what I sent, I'll do that. If you would rather go ahead and do an unboxing or whatever and do your own video, I'll link to it or whatever at that time, and we'll go from there. However you want to do it, I'll get with the winner and we'll figure that out. So we'll do a jig, precision alignment jig. I'm going to throw in a treasure hunt. Treasure hunt, it'll still be in the, it'll still be carded, so I'll make sure that I don't get, because I do have some loose ones. I'm not going to send you a loose one. I'll send you a carded treasure. It could be an old one, it could be a new one. I might just pull out of a hat, but I'll make sure you get something decent. So be on the lookout for that. The custom, you're not going to know what it is till you get it. I hope you like it. If you don't, let me know. But that way you'll have one of my customs, and we'll kind of go from there. So please enter. Simply, just all you have to do is subscribe. Don't forget to comment to get that extra entry in. We appreciate everything you guys do for this channel and your support. Come back and see us and catch our next episode. Y'all have a wonderful day. Thank you, and let's get that 100 subscribers.